Alright, welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Scite. Now, Scite AI offers a valuable service for researchers by providing smart citations that show the context of how a paper has been cited, indicating whether the citing work supports, contradicts, or simply mentions the original. This goes beyond traditional citation counts and helps users quickly gauge the impact and credibility of research. The AI assistant can also help answer research questions backed by evidence from the literature, potentially saving significant time in the initial stages of exploration and literature review. It has so many things. It has the assistant. Let's look at the assistant, your AI research assistant. You get cited answers supported by real research. You ask a question, you can change the settings here, specify reference requirements, so you can choose the one you want, specify evidence source, specify evidence section. You can use table mode if you want, turn it on, reference year range, publication types, citation style model, response length, publication to consult, add reference ranking, journals, dashboard, analyze document publications, and then once you you apply. They also have the sources. You can add to sources. You can use table mode by turning it on here. So it helps improve your research. Then you also have the product over here, where we have assistant with search dashboard and the rest of them. Also has the browser extension, plugin, Zotero plugin, solution for corporate and pharmaceutical. You can see all they can use the journals and stuff. Then you can surprise. Let's look at that. So you can see the pricing for personal and organization. So let's continue with the review. However, Scite AI primarily focuses on scholarly literature, which might limit its utility for those needing information from a broader range of sources. Like any AI tool, analysis relies on the data it has been trained on and the algorithm it uses, which could potentially introduce biases or occasionally misinterpret the nuisance of citation context. While powerful, new users might also experience a learning curve to fully leverage all its features, and the more comprehensive features are typically part of paid subscription. Despite this point, Scite AI stands out for its innovative approach to understanding the academic landscape through contextualized citations, offering a powerful tool to enhance the efficiency and depth of research. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.